Creating a story is easy, but turning that story into an actual video or a full series, that's where most creators get stuck. You write ideas, you imagine scenes, but when it comes to structuring everything, managing characters, and actually bringing it all to life, it becomes a mess. And the crazy part is, the visuals you've already seen in this video so far, every single one of them was generated using the exact platform we're about to use, Pippet, powered by Dreamina and Seedance 2.0. You'll find the link in the description, or you can simply search for Pippit AI and you'll land on this interface. And honestly, the first thing I noticed is how clean and simple everything looks. It doesn't feel confusing or overloaded, which is important when the whole goal is to make story creation easier. Since we're focusing on AI drama in this video, I'm going straight into the short drama agent, which is powered by Dreamina and Seedance 2.0. Now this is where the workflow starts to get interesting. You have two ways to begin. You can either use the AI scriptwriter if you want the platform to help build your story, or you can simply upload your own script and let Pippet turn that into a structured short drama workflow. In my case, I'm uploading my story directly. Once the script is uploaded, Pippet starts analyzing it and breaking it down into usable story components. And instead of just throwing out random outputs, it actually gives you a much clearer foundation to work from. You can see it creating the synopsis, the backstory, and the story setting based on the script you provided. So already it feels less like a generator and more like a tool that's helping organize the entire project for you. After that, I move to the next step, which is roles and scenes. And this is one of the most useful parts, because now the characters are being generated and separated out for the story. You can see the roles appearing here, and the good thing is that this is not locked. It's editable. So if you want to adjust the characters, refine the setup, or make changes based on your own creative direction, you still have that control. Then we move into the episodes section. Right now, this project has one episode, so that's what I'm working with here. And from this point, you can go deeper into the actual generation workflow. If you want, you can generate a shooting script, but here I'm moving ahead with scene generation so the story can actually start turning into visuals. And this is where the workflow really starts to prove its value. Instead of manually figuring out every single step on your own, Pippet is helping take that story, structure it into scenes, and prepare it for generation in a much more organized way. Once the scenes are generated, you can start seeing the actual outputs, and this is also where Dreamina and Seedance 2.0 starts to stand out. The results feel much more cinematic and much more grounded visually. The textures look cleaner, the scenes feel more believable, and you don't get that obvious plastic-looking AI feel that often breaks immersion. At the same time, you're still in control. If you want to refine something, you can edit the prompts, adjust the scenes, and keep shaping the project based on what you want creatively. So even though the platform is doing a lot of the heavy lifting, it's not taking away your control. It's actually making the process faster and easier to manage. And once everything is ready, you can move ahead and render the full episode. So instead of jumping between different tools just to go from idea to story to scenes to final output, the whole process feels much more connected inside one workflow. That's what I think makes this more interesting than just a normal AI video generator. It's not only helping you create visuals, it's helping you take a story, structure it properly, manage the characters and scenes, and turn it into something that actually feels like the beginning of a short drama project.
Let's test a few more examples. This time, instead of a full story, I'll try something simple. I'll go to the Home section, open the video generator, upload my image, and paste a basic scene prompt to create a beautiful cinematic scene using my character. My face as a reference. Sitting on a rock in a forest with rivers and relaxing. Now I'll select the model as Dreamina and Seedance 2.0. Keep the aspect ratio at 16:9. Set the duration to 10 seconds. Resolution to 1080p, and hit Generate. Within a few moments, we get the result.
Even with a simple prompt, the scene looks detailed. The lighting feels natural, the environment has depth, and most importantly, it avoids that typical artificial or plastic AI look. It actually feels closer to a cinematic shot. So whether you're building a full story using the short drama agent or just testing quick ideas like this, the workflow stays simple and consistent. If you want to try this yourself, check out Pippet using the link in the description. It's powered by Dreamina and Seedance 2.0, and you can get free credits to start experimenting. It's a much faster way to go from idea to actual visual content, especially for story-based or short drama videos. And if you want more breakdowns like this, make sure to subscribe. I'll be testing more tools very soon.